short film demonstrating our skills in using motion effects, slow motion, fast motion, and reverse. So this is the infrastructure of Adobe Premiere Pro, and here you can see we have some children playing with a ball with the water, and I have selected my original speed right here, and then this is the second piece of footage that we are going to change so it will move slower. We're going to put this in slow motion. So to do that, you will right click on the footage and go to speed and duration, and what you will notice is you have your speed and duration in this little box where you can change it, and we have reverse, and we have the framing sampling that we can use blending, but for the sake of this project we are going to leave everything the same and only change the speed. We are going to drop that to 25% and then okay, and so now you can see that it is in slow motion. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is add the same piece of film. Of course, we want to have a title on top of this, so we will add our text, go over here to the T, and we will say slow motion, okay? And then we can move that where we would like it to be. Say we would like it right here. Now we are going to move to the end of our editing section and add another piece of the original film, and this time we are going to speed it up. So we will go to speed duration, and I'm going to make that 400%. Okay, and then over the top of that, I'm going to add my text, fast motion, and kind of move it where I want it to be. And then I'm going to make sure that that text is just only over the fast motion section, just right here. And now I'm going to add another piece of the same footage. But this time, we are going to reverse the speed, and then I'm going to add my text box, right here, and say reverse motion. And move that to right at the end here. Okay, so now I have all my pieces, but there's a little bit of a problem. The actual piece of footage is not full screen. So if I click on it, I can set scale to frame size. And that should scale to frame size. Scale to frame size. So now I have my film created with the directions, original speed, slow motion, fast motion, and reverse. And we have completed this activity. So to export this, maybe we want to add a little piece of text here. Let's do this. Let's stretch this just a little bit. Text. Move our text over. Stick it a little bit. Now we need to export our film. Export or render. We are going to call this slow, fast, reverse motion, and export. It is exporting right now, and this is what I will be presenting.